Is my article unique? As you are writing content or using research that is provided to you through Article Insights, it will track how unique your article is. Under the section Make It Unique, the progress bar is showing that I have 0% unique content on my article. And this is correct because I have copied and pasted an existing sentence as research into my article. Under the Duplicate tab section, the matching sentence has been highlighted in red. It is up to me now to rewrite my article so that it is unique. By default, Article Insights will check every fourth word to determine if a sentence is unique or not. I'm going to change the word here, customizing button choices. Once I made my edit, it's picked up the change, and now the red highlighted section has been changed to show only the other parts of the sentence which currently exist online. Another option is to use the article rewriter, which you can find by clicking on the link, which is inside the Make It Unique section. Clicking on this link will bring you up to the article rewriter screen. You will notice that some words on the left have been highlighted in yellow. I can mouse over this yellow words and it's going to drop down and provide me with a list of other alternative synonyms which I might consider using. So I'm hovering over the word complex and it's saying other alternative words I can use is complicated or advanced. I'm going to select the word advanced. Once I'm happy with my changes, I can click the save button and this will bring me back to the article editor.